Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equal to cosine 2u. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative number 2 sine 2u du. Why do I need to choose about cosine 2u? Because cosine 2u that is about 2 cosine u square minus number 1, and we have 1 minus 2 sine u square. So when I put cosine 2u on here and here, I will choose about this one and this one, 2 minus number 1 in here and here. Dx that is about this one, so I will put negative number 2 on here. So cosine 2u that is about this one. Cosine 2u that is about this one. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. Negative, negative, we have positive. This one we have cosine 2 cosine u square. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel. This one we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So because we don't know the positive or the negative inside the square root, so in this situation I will put about sine of sine u over cosine u. Because this one they can be about positive or negative, and now we can cancel the absolute value in here. And now we have the formula. So we need to change sine to u that is about this one. So number 2 and number 2 we have number 4. Sine u we have sine u square, cosine u we cancel. And now we have the formula in here. So we put this one gone here. So negative number 4 divided by number 2, we have negative number 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1 that is about u. The next one we have 1 over 2 sine 2u. And I will put about c. About u that is about this one. So we can find the value of 2u equal to arc cosine of s. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. So we need to change u into this one. So this one we can solve. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.